Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the bad system config info blue screen error on Windows 11. This error looks scary and usually happens during startup, but we can fix it using the built-in repair tool, and the process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now, since this error often prevents Windows from loading normally, we need to get into the automatic repair environment. Now, if your computer is stuck in a restart loop, it'll eventually show a blue screen that says Automatic Repair. So over there, you have to click on Advanced Options. Or if you somehow reach the login screen, simply hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Then just click on the Power option, and then just simply select Restart while holding the Shift key. And once you do that, you will again reach the same Automatic Repair page. Then, once you're on the blue screen menu, all you have to do is just simply click on the Troubleshoot option. And after that, all you have to do is just simply select Advanced Options. And inside Advanced Options, you need to click on Command Prompt. And after that, your computer might restart quickly and ask for your password, so just simply go ahead and enter it to open the black command prompt window. Now, this error usually means the file that tells Windows how to start, the BSOD, is corrupted, so we are going to rebuild it. Now, in the black command prompt window, I want you to type 3 commands exactly. I will put them on the screen for you, so just simply copy them and write them down in the command prompt. So the first command is this: bootrec /fix mbr. Enter it, and after that, you should be able to see the operation completed successfully message on the command prompt. Then type the next command, bootrec /fix boot. So enter it and click on Enter. Note, if this says access is denied, don't worry, just move on to the next command. And finally, just simply type this command over here, bootrec /rebuild BSOD, and hit Enter. Now, if it asks you to add installation to boot list, just simply type the letter Y for yes, and then hit Enter. This refreshes your system startup roadmap and helps you to fix the issue. Now, once you've done all of that, let's make sure the actual Windows system files aren't damaged. In the same command prompt window, just simply type sfc /scannow, and then hit Enter. This will take a few minutes. It'll check all your protected system files and replace any corrupted ones with fresh copies. Once it says 100% completed, just simply type the next command, which you can see on the screen over here. Paste chkdsk /f/r, and then hit Enter. Now, if it asks to schedule the check for the next restart, just simply type Y for yes, and then hit Enter. Now, close the command prompt window and click on Continue to exit and boot into your Windows. Your computer should start up normally without any blue screen. So that's it. Your system configuration is now repaired. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.